With all the excitement of the championships, you forgot to open your package, Yugi.
What could it be? Huh?
Some kind of glove.
And stars. Maybe there's an explanation on the video.
Pop it in and check it out. Okay.
Blue Eyes White Dragon. Ultra rare. What a beauty.
What the?
What's up, YouTube? Ran758 here, and today we have Legendary Duelist Season 2, Okaiba Mai, Blue Eye support, some Rose support, and we have 3 random packs of Genesis Impact. So let's get cracking. We'll start with the Genesis Impact first. So we still haven't pulled the Collector's Rare. Let's see what we get. Still hoping to get some Dryton support that I need. The Nova card. Only got 1 so far. Let's see if we can pull it. And oh, okay. Super rare Dryton. Fenrir. Yeah, Fenrir. So that's a guaranteed foil. Looking for Ultra or Collector's Rare. So we have Herald of Ultimateness. Born from Draconis. Number 96. Live Twin Channel. Nightmare Griffin. Invocation, and a Live Twin Home Super Rare. Still no luck. Some more Dragon support. Come on. And another super rare. As I figure, I never have any luck with these packs. That's fine. We're here for the main product here, Legendary Duel Season 2. Let's crack this open. So this just recently came out. Oops. It's too big to fit on the screen here. So apologies. So you got an entire display case. We're just gonna take it out because I'm not gonna keep this box anyway. It's destroyed. Only time we keep boxes is sealed or if it's mint. This is banged up. And the goal is to try to get the Kaiba dice. Let's crack this open, shall we? So apparently there's no guarantee to getting the Kaiba dice. So that's one of our goals in this set. There's 4 dice total. There's a Harpy Lady dice, a Blue Eyes dice, a Baby Amazonas Tiger dice, and then the infamous KC dice.
Yeah, boy.
So speaking though, we got a Blue Eyes dice. Beautiful. So that's 1 down. 3 more to go. See our promo. We have Super Dreadnought Rare Cannon Juggernaut Libe. I have this card already, even the Lost Art. Let's get cracking. I don't know too much about this set, as I like to keep it, just like going in the new products without knowing what's on the list, card list. But I have a good idea, of course, because it's Kaiba. Oh, we have Harpy Lady Chandler here? What's going on? She recently came out as a Lost Art, and now they just threw her in here. We have the Ultimate Creature of Destruction. Nice, I've been wanting this card, and now finally got it. Galaxy Knight. I had this card a long time ago. Back just before I dropped out of Yu-Gi-Oh! Again. Harpy's Featherstorm, Dark Rose Fairy, Triangle SSD Spark. Oh, from Rise of Destiny. Cyber Egg Angel, Hysteric Sign from Dual Overload. Cyber Angel, again. Zana, Luna Light Fusion, Fallen Angel, Roses. Nice. So overall, good pack. We got Abyss Actors. That's something we don't want, honestly. Just a mess here we're gonna try to clean up. Let's set aside the promos. What's going on here?
Bruh.
These are the cards, right?
Nope.
Neutron Blast, Harpy Lady number 3, Decoy Dragon. No, these are the cards we went over already. Sorry. Confusing myself. We have Super Strident Blaze, Harpy's Pet Dragon, White Legend Stone, Chaos Form, Burst Stream, and Destruction. Oh, we got a Frozen Rose. Nice. And that is Black Rose Dragon from 5Ds. Nice. That's a lovely card. Oh, and we got a Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon and purple lettering. So that's honestly fitting for this card. We have a purple lettering for the White Stone of Ancients. Harpy's Feather Rest, Rose Lover, Rose Witch. Yeah, a lot of these reprints are pretty cool. Rose Tentacles. So honestly, these are some good reprints. This is for people that are just getting back into Yu-Gi-Oh! And obviously cannot afford the cards that are out already. I'm sure the cards is tanked now because of these reprints, but nevertheless, like going back to the old seal product where they originally came from, it's gonna cost them a fortune. Not necessarily a fortune, but it's not gonna be worth it. Pay $200 for cards already out again because of this product. I gotta return it. And let's see what we got. And what's the promo, guys? Oh, we have a Photon Orbital. Nice. I've never seen this card before. It's pretty cool. Let's see the dice, guys. Come on. Oh, we have our second out of the 4. Amazon's Baby Tiger. Harpy's Pet Baby Dragon, Harpy Lady number 2, Maiden with Eyes of Blue. It's another good card. Full-Time Vanisher. More Beast Actors. Black Wings, of course. Ooh! We got Blue Eyes Solid Dragon. Nice. Remember using this card in 5Ds. Harpy Lady Sisters in blue lettering. Wow, that's nice. We have Cyber Eternity Dragon. Wow, this is a beauty. This is a cool reprint, honestly. Blue lettering. Elegant Egotist. Lunalight. Some more Lunalight cards. Harpy support. And Rose Tentacles. Alright, let's see. What can we pull? Some more Blue Eye support would be nice. We got Kaiba Man, Neutron Blast. More Black Wings. Harpy Lady number 3. Decoy. Ooh, okay. Here we go. Rage with Eyes of Blue. That is a beautiful looking card. Beautiful. Wow, you can see the eyes sparkle too in the foiling. Another Blue Eyes Solid Dragon, but this time in green lettering. And nice, we have Blue Eyes Spirit Dragon. I remember pulling this card before I started the channel in Secret Rare. And Shining Victories. From a Walmart product mystery box. Green lettering. Dark Rose Fairy. There's got to be some short prints here. Splendid Rose, Hysteric Party, Hysteric Sign. So we're doing pretty good with the pulls and their overall dice. So far we haven't had any duplicates. Of course we just only opened like 2 boxes, mind you. But this, oh, dices are right here. This is the one we want, I think. That one has the KC sign.
Nope.
Okay. Let's see, what can we pull? I honestly prefer this Legendary Duelist than the first one. Let's see what we get for the dice. Ah, another Amazon's Baby Tiger. So, there we go. Got our first duplicate. Nice! Bingo Machine Go! This is funny. This is from the anime, from the Battle City arc. Where Seto Kaiba had the duelists' names in the machine, and they would fight each other, whose names popped up, and who gets to fight who first. This was like a $40 card, mind you. This is insane. That was a much needed reprint, honestly. It was like a staple for Blue Eyes, I believe, from back in the day. So you got more Abyss Actors. Maiden with Eyes of Blue again. They should have made her a rarity as well. Protector with Eyes of Blue. We have Starleash Photon Blast Dragon. I believe this is the newer ones. I know I could be mistaken, probably. This might have existed. We have another Blue Eye Solid Dragon, green lettering once again. So that's our first dupe. Blue Eyes Alternative White Dragon. Wow, I remember pulling this card in the movie packs. There was only like 1 or 2 per display box. Green lettering, nice. Rose Archer, Twilight Rose Knight, Harpy Lady Phoenix Formation, Cyber Shield, Bird of Roses, and Flying Pegasus Railroad Stampede. Come on, we gotta get all the Blue Eyes cards in all letterings. Come on. Let's see, Galaxy Zero, I remember that card. Neutron Blast. Malefic Blue Eyes White Dragon. That card's got reprinted to the ground. We have Red Rose Dragon. Nice, that's our ultra rare. There's like another card back there. Rage with Eyes of Blue. Nice. Blue lettering. We have Sage with Eyes of Blue and blue lettering as well. Beautiful cards. Revival Rose. Harpy Dancer. Harpist. Witch of the Black Rose. And Rose Paladin. Let me know if you guys enjoy this type of product down in the comment section below. Oh! Oh, I hyped myself up for no reason. Okay, so this is our third dice. The white dice. So I think maybe there's 5 dice then. Could be mistaken. Well, now we got the white Blue Eyes dice. And our promo. Nice! We got the Blackwing Full Armor Master. I love this card. Using this in Duel Links and in the game as well. when I got back into Yu-Gi-Oh. Card is just annoying to get rid of. We got Photon Change, Harpy Lady number 2, Chaos Form, Burst Beam of Destruction, Photon Hand, Cybernetic Revolution. We got another Starliege Photon Blast Dragon, ultra rare. Another dupe. The Ultimate Creature of Destruction in purple lettering, sorry. Looked like blue there for a second. And we have another Blue Eyes Alternative White Dragon in purple lettering. Nice. We need one more color, I believe, and we have all the colors for alternative. That's more rose cards for the support. I personally like some of these reprints. I'm not a fan of, you know, reprint sets, but it's for people who can't afford all the cards or just the product itself. So I think it's fun, pretty cool that Konami's done this for us. Crossroads Dragon, ultra rare. It's from Dual Overload. It's crazy they reprinted this again. Frozen Rose, in blue lettering, and Black Rose Dragon. Alright, this is a nice freeze print. I love this art. In blue lettering. Merciful Machine Angel, Revival Rose. I need to look up this list to see what's short printed. Alright guys, we have 4 more boxes. Can we get all of the dice? And I believe there's a $20 dice from what I heard in my locals. Unless people are just trolling me, but there's a Kaiba Corporation dice. So I need to see if we can pull that. And it's not even guaranteed in the display case. In display box, sorry. Let's see, what dice do we get here? And nice, we have a Harpy Lady sister. Oh, a Harpy Lady. So we got all 4 dice, from what it seems. That's shown in the picture. Now I need to see if the white dice is the one that everyone's talking about, or if there's an actual different dice. Oh, we have Galaxy Eyes Afterglow Dragon. That's such a beautiful card. This is one of the promos I wanted, honestly. That's another go. We gotta try to get all the promos in this set. Alright, we're gonna just fly through this because this video is long as it is. We have another Galaxy Knight, ultra rare. Oh, we have Galaxy Eyes Photon Dragon, green lettering. We have the Ultimate Creature of Destruction, green lettering as well. Harpy Conductor, nice. Cyber Shield and Harpy Harpist. Beacon of White. Photon Change. I don't think I've seen too many of those since we've been opening this. Nice, we have Sage with Eyes of Blue, ultra rare. Blue Eyes Spirit Dragon, green lettering. Cyber Load Fusion. This definitely has to be a money card because I paid like 25 back in the day when I was getting back into Yu-Gi-Oh. I know I keep saying that, but these cards were expensive at one point. That's why we have reprints. They're still not going to be easy to pull. Alright, let's see. Trying to get all these promo. Oops. And we have another Blue Eyes Blue dice. And nice, we have Harpy Perfumer. Another promo card we didn't get. Photon Charge, Malefic. Nice. Oh, we have Galaxy Eyes Photon Dragon Ultra Rare. Galaxy Knight blue lettering. Nice. Blue Eyes Solid Dragon blue blue lettering. Was that purple? I think that is purple maybe? I'm blind. Sorry. The lighting over here sucks. We have Witch of the Black Rose, Rose Pollen, and Cyber Shield. Alright guys. What's your favorite card in this reprint product? Leave that in the comment section below as well if you did pick some of this up. Oh, we have Cyber Phoros. That's another cool reprint. We have Cyber Dragon Seeger. Nice. Oh, we have Cyber Dragon Nashter. Wow, this is another nice reprint. So for you Cyber Dragons out. Oh, we have another Cyber Load Fusion. Purple lettering and Harpy Oracle. Purple lettering as well. Wow, this is just a beautiful set for us Cyber Dragon players and Blue Eyes players. Yeah, this was definitely an improvement in my opinion. From the dices to the promos to the reprints. This is easily a better Legendary Duelist than the first one. Uh-oh, what is that? Looks like a Harpy. Yup, another Harpy dice. I was about to say, where's that promo? And we have Blue Eyes Chaos Dragon as our promo. This was a $40 card in the previous set in the Legendary Duelist Kaiba. I'm glad I didn't pick that card up when I got back and was trying to make a Blue Eyes deck. Something told me to hold off on that. Oh, nice. We have Harpy Pet Dragon Ultra Rare. Cyber Eternity Dragon, purple lettering, nice. Galaxy Photon Dragon in purple lettering as well. Black Garden, Queen Angel of Roses, and Cyber Shield once again. Super Strident Blaze. Glowing Crossbow, Protector with Eyes of Blue. Oh, nice! Black Wing. Simoon, the Poison Wind. Ultra Rare. Harpy Lady Sisters in green lettering, nice. And Black Rose Dragon in green lettering. That definitely suits that card, the green lettering. It's definitely going to be one of the more desired versions. And our last box, guys. So far, we haven't gotten any duplicates in the promos. I'm impressed because in the first Legendary Duelist, I had to like go out my way and pick up the last two promos that I didn't get in my entire display box. Like, I don't know, I just had the assumption that you would get different promos, but I didn't know they would actually throw in some duplicate promos. What the hell? It's not even in plastic.
Nani?
This wasn't even sealed, guys. What the?
What is this?
It's just it was unsealed. See how this one's sealed and this one isn't? Konami, what's going on? What is going on? This was not sealed. Somebody's tampering with these products. Oh, we got another Blue Eyes dice. Oh, nice! And we have Garden Rose Maiden. So another nice promo. So I think we are still missing a promo, which is the new Blue Eye support. So I think they knew we had to buy more than just one display box, which is insane. But honestly, I think it's better off just buying the single, or just finding a friend that has the promo sealed and you can just buy it off them. Nice, we have another Cyber Dragon Nashter, ultra rare. Nice, Blue Rose Dragon and blue lettering. This is the first time we've seen this one. And a Harpy's Pet Dragon, blue, looks like blue. Yeah, that's blue. Harpy's Pet Rest, Rose Lover, Rose Witch, Barrage Blast, and Harpy Lady elegance. Last pack, guys. Come on, let's see what we can pull. Just gonna go through this. Oh, nice! This is the only one we've seen so far. Blue Eyes White Dragon. Ultra rare. What a beauty. So that's definitely short printed. Blue Eyes Solid Dragon. We got so many of this. Purple lettering now. And Blue Eyes Spirit Dragon. Purple lettering. I might pick some more up. It seems fun to open.
Yay!
Alright guys, in this entire display box we got one loose dice. We got two of them, one loose and one open. Two Blue Eyes dice, white. We got two Harpy Ladies dice. Two Amazoness dice. And two Blue Eyes dice. Yeah, so that's our ratio for the dice. That aside, and for our promos we have Garden Rose Maiden, Blue Eyes Chaos Dragon, Harpy Perfumer, Galaxy Eyes Afterglow Dragon, Blackwing Full Armor Master, Bingo Machine Go, Orbital Photon Orbital, and Super Dreadnought Rail Cannon Juggernaut. So we didn't pull a single dupe in our promo. Still missing promos, which is insane. Let's see. So I'm not going to show you where we got for Genesis Impact. We didn't do so well on that. These are all our foils, guys. So we got Blue Eyes Spirit Dragon, purple lettering. One Blue Eyes White Dragon, Harpy's Pet Dragon, Blue Eyes Rose Dragon, Cyber Dragon Nashter, Black Rose Dragon, Harpy Lady Sister, Black Wings, Galaxy Eyes Photon Dragon, Cyber Eternity, another Harpy's Pet Dragon. Yeah, we got them turning there. We'll just set that aside there. Cyber Overload Fusion, Harpy Oracle, Nashter again, Solid Dragon again, Galaxy Knight. Let's make this more neat. Now you guys can see our ratio. Well, just bear with us because we barely have space. Fit all the cards here. We're gonna try though. So many cards in this set. It's crazy how big this set is. Another Photon Dragon. Another Overload. Another Spirit. Sage with Eyes of Blue. Nope. Ultimate Creature Destruction. Another Photon. Galaxy Knight. Where's that go? That's going there. Black Rose Dragon. Oh, you know what? This is going to take too much time. Just gonna go through this. This is all the cards we got. Yep, that's our recap, guys. Alright, if you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already to see more awesome content like this. And let me know down in the comment section below if you want to see more openings of the new Legendary Duelist Season 2. I might open another display box or maybe just pick up a few boxes here and there to finish up the last promos.
Yeah!
But I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.